Ukulele Wine Time. Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. Today we're going to tune your ukulele. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to tune at home so your ukulele sounds good and it's ready to play. I'm going to link the sections below, so if you want to just skip ahead to the tuning notes, feel free to do that. Okay, so let's start with the strings of the ukulele. We've got G, C, E, A. So those are the names of the strings of the ukulele. Those are note names. So let's take a pause for just a sec, talk about notes versus chords. So when you're like, that's the G string, hey-o, that's not a chord, that's a single pitch or a single note, just to kind of clear up any confusion there. So we are tuning to 4 notes. Those again are G, C, E, A. That's a standard tuning for the ukulele. Totally different from guitar, some of the same notes, totally different tuning, different from mandolin, different from bass. So ukulele is a wonderfully unique, beautiful instrument. Wine's optional, but feel free to have a glass with me if you'd like. Okay, so before we get into our 3 different ways of tuning, I'm actually going to detune my ukulele so you can, and it needs a tune anyway, but I'm going to kind of mess up my strings a little bit so you can watch me tune it in real time. So I am loosening, so we've got 4 tuning pegs. If I loosen that, whoa, my note is going to get lower or the note's going to get flatter. Okay, and then alternatively, if I tighten the tuning peg, so turn it the other way, the string is getting tighter, it's pulling the string. That note is getting higher or more sharp or sharper. So we've got lower if I loosen the string, and then higher if I tighten the string. So I'm just gonna detune my strings. Ooh, that sounds really rough. Okay, so I've detuned my ukulele. It's making my eye twitch a little bit, so we want to get this thing tuned. So our first way to tune the ukulele is a clip-on tuner. So this is just a standard clip-on tuner. You're going to clip it to the end of your ukulele. And so each tuner, they're a little bit different, but it's going to be pretty clear to tell once you know the notes you're tuning to. So in our case, G, C, E, A for our strings. It'll be clear, and there might be red if it's not in tune, and then it'll turn green, or there could be a line in the middle that just shows when you're in tune there. So this one is red. So our first note we want is a G. Whew, so we're sitting low on an F sharp here, so I'm going to turn this around so you can see. So I want to tighten this string, and it follows the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you see a letter that's before G, you want to go up to G there. So I'm at F sharp, gotta keep going. And I'm just turning it very slightly, and I'm just continuously playing the string there. Ooh, I'm above a G. Hey-o, I passed it. Okay, and you can see it turned green. So there's my G in tune. G. Okay, so I stepped over here closer so you can have a closer look at this tuner, this clip-on tuner. So I'm going to my G again. So there's my, come on. There's my G in tune, green. So I'm going to move down to the next string. That's supposed to be a C. So we've got G, C. So we're at a B, A, B, C. So we need to go up. So I need to tighten my string up. There, turn green on C. So now I've got G, C. That's starting to sound a little better. Okay, let's keep going. We need an E next. Woo! So this one's actually above. So if you can see that little line there, it's above the E. So this one is actually sharp or higher. So we need to go down. So I'm going to loosen my string. You can see the little line moving down. Ooh, there we go. I got a green E. So now we've got G, C, E, almost, kind of, sort of. Okay, and now our last one is A. Ooh, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts over again. musical alphabet way simpler than the regular alphabet. So we're at a G sharp. We need to go a little higher to A, so I'm going to tighten the string. There, it clicked over to A. I'm tightening slowly, slowly. See the line moving. Woo, there we go. Turn green. So let's check all of our strings now on the clip-on tuner. G, C, E, A. There we are in tune. All right, way number 2 to tune is to use a tuning app. I really like Guitar Tuna, so very similar to the clip-on, so I'm not gonna go through tuning the whole thing here, but this one I really like because it has a very satisfying little booding when your string is in tune. I'm gonna give you a closer look at this. So here's a closer look at Guitar Tuna. I'm gonna detune my G string just so you can see a close-up of this. And there's that satisfying ding, and you're in tune. Okay, and then the third way to tune your ukulele is just by ear. So first, and we better finish this up soon because I'm almost out of wine. So first there's like a little ukulele tuning song. So if you have pretty good relative pitch and you're just kind of playing for yourself, you don't have to tune to another instrument, or you're just playing alone. If you can remember, my dog has fleas. You can kind of tune on your own by ear. Otherwise, you can tune to this video. So we're going to give you the tuning pitches there. We'll hold them out sustained. So you'll just use your ears. It's a good idea to also hum along with those pitches. So you can start just kind of ingraining those in your brain. And you'll do the same thing with the app. You'll just be doing it by ear and there won't be a satisfying click there instead. So you'll hear the note and then you'll try to match your string higher or lower, tighter or looser to the pitch. And hopefully you will be in tune and you'll be ready to play some songs. So here are those pitches for you. Okay, a little bonus tuning for you. So if you have a piano or a keyboard in your home, you can actually tune to that if you play the tuning notes G, C, E, A on the piano. Okay, and if you know those notes on the piano, awesome, good for you. If you don't, good luck. Just kidding. So if you want to find those notes, look for the 2 black keys in the middle. So that's your chopsticks. C starts your chopsticks. So the white key right to the left of those 2 black keys, smack dab in the middle of your piano or keyboard should be middle C. So that's your C right there. 1, let's call that 1. If we go up 1, 2, 3, that's your E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is your G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is your A. We're getting into a little bit of music theory here, but we won't worry about that too much. But that's how you can find all of your tuning notes there. G, C, E, A. A little bonus there for you. Now you are hopefully in tune. Cheers to that. Now we are ready to play some songs. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.